Good day everyone, my name is Keisha Anindita Abinawa from class INCST01. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to fill your attendance using Google Sheets. If you're on your mobile or tablet, you might need to download Google Sheets first with your chosen App Store. After you open the app, you need to log in using your IPB student account. Then, right after you open the file, you click the button on the bottom right, then select P for present. And if you're on your desktop, you might need to search Google Sheets. And then again, sign in with your IPB student account. Open the files again and then select your name and choose P for present. And that's about it from me. Thank you very much.